Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dikuku Sitole. Guys, today we're baking. I'm very excited. I'm doing something I love. We're baking today. We're baking scones. One of the things I enjoy doing, I enjoy the most is baking. So we're baking today. And by the way, guys, I'm a mother of two. I'm also a wife. And my family enjoys anything I bake, like anything, everything I bake. So today I'm baking. It's Sunday, and mostly on Sundays I bake. Okay, guys, these are the ingredients. It's half a teaspoon of salt, 4 cups of cake flour. If I say 4 cups, guys, I mean measuring cups. Because we put 4 cups of flour here, we're gonna also put 4 teaspoons of baking powder, just half a teaspoon of baking soda, 3 eggs, 3 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 300 grams of irama. Guys, the grams are here. If you check here, this is 100, 200, 300. So we're gonna cut our butter right here. This is 300 grams. We're also gonna use orange. So we're gonna use orange zest, orange skin, and amasi. 1 cup of amasi, and this is 1 cup of brown sugar. Okay, guys, in this mixing bowl, I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. In here, I have my baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, four teaspoons of baking powder. I'm just gonna whisk everything together. And in a separate mixing bowl, I'm gonna put my 3 eggs. My amasi, 1 cup of amasi, three teaspoons of vanilla essence, and in here I have 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. Guys, this is orange zest, not lemon. 1 cup of brown sugar. And then I'm gonna mix it together. Gonna whisk it nicely. Make sure you mix nicely because you want your sugar to dissolve. This is how your mixture is going to look like when you're done mixing. Guys, everything I used here is in room temperature. The eggs, amasi, and what? and the rama. But you don't want your rama too soft, because if it's too soft, it's gonna spread in your pan. You want your scones to rise, not to just spread. And now I'm gonna put my rama, my ingredients rank at dry. So now guys, I'm gonna go in with my hands, with my washed hands. I'm gonna get everything in here because we don't wanna waste. Okay, you wanna rub the flour together with the rama, like so. You wanna rub it until it resembles breadcrumbs, fine breadcrumbs. And make sure you are gentle with this. See how I rub? Okay guys, this is what you want to have. And okay, now we're done mixing our flour with butter, with rama. So now we're just gonna open just a hole here, and then we're gonna put our wet ingredients. So okay, I'm just gonna pour everything. Look, half of this mixture. And then we're gonna start mixing. Guys, I'm just folding. I'm not mixing as if I'm mixing a dough for steamed bread or something. I'm gonna add another half, all of it. See how I'm mixing? I'm just folding. Make sure you don't overmix your dough, your flour. And then make sure you don't overmix, because if you overmix your flour, your dough, you're gonna end up with very tough scones. This is enough. I was doing folds. I was not just mixing. Okay guys, because I hate the process of cutting, I'm gonna be using my spoon to transfer this to my baking tray. I grease my baking tray with oil. You can use rum, I can use whatever you want to use, but I greased mine with oil. So I'm gonna be using my spoon to just because I hate the process of cutting and I hate the mess that comes with it. So I'm just going to be using this. Okay, in here I have my beaten egg with a little bit of milk. If you want that nice golden look, golden glow on top of your scones, this is what you use. If you don't have eggs, you can use just milk. I have just one egg here and just a little bit of milk. And this shall give you a nice finish. And now I'm gonna put my tray in my oven for about 17 minutes. My oven is preheated to 220 degrees, and now I'm just gonna put it to bake and then put my tray for 17 minutes. Depending on the ovens are not the same. As I'm waiting for my first tray to bake, I'm gonna continue scooping to my second tray. Okay guys, it's 15 minutes later and our scones are ready. They're looking so nice. So because I said I'm gonna bake them for 17 minutes, but it actually took 15 minutes for them to bake. So that's why we always have to check your oven, because yeah, as I said, ovens are not the same and they don't perform the same every day. So yeah. Oh, so guys, you have to leave your scones to cool for about 5 minutes or so. My scones are cooling on a cooling rack. So guys, this is what one tray gave me. I still have another tray. Guys, yeah, my scones are looking so nice. Okay guys, my scones are ready. They're looking so yummy, and I'm sure they are so yummy. So guys, yeah, and this is what 4 cups of flour gave me. This is how much it gave me. So yeah, it's a lot. This is just 2 trays, and yeah, it's a lot. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you try this recipe, please comment down below and tell us ukuthi ihambe kanjani yakho. Thank you guys. Bye.